When you tap Pay Now on your phone, the transaction feels instant. But in reality, a complex system starts working in the background within milliseconds. First, you enter your card details or use a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. At this moment, your payment information is securely prepared and encrypted. This means the data is converted into a protected format so it cannot be easily stolen. Next, your payment request is sent to a payment gateway. This is a system that acts like a bridge between the website or app and the financial networks. The gateway quickly checks if the request is valid and securely forwards it for processing. After that, the request reaches the payment processor. The processor's job is to communicate with the bank networks. It sends your payment details to the card network, such as Visa or MasterCard. These networks then pass the request to your bank, the bank that issued your card. This is where the most important decision happens. Your bank checks several things in a fraction of a second. It verifies if you have enough balance, confirms that your card is valid, and runs security checks to detect any suspicious activity. If everything is correct, the bank approves the transaction. If not, it declines it. This response then travels back through the same path from your bank to the card network to the payment processor to the payment gateway and finally back to the website or app. All of this happens in just a few seconds. Once approved, the payment is authorized. This means the money is reserved but not fully transferred yet. The actual transfer, known as settlement, happens later, usually in batches processed by banks. So even though online payments feel instant, they're actually the result of multiple systems working together at incredible speed. From encryption and gateways to banks and global networks, every step is designed to make the process fast, secure, and reliable.